Well, I gave in. If you want to see how I got my hair from this honey blonde color to this using a semi-permanent rinse, stay tuned. So my hair is freshly shampooed and it's still damp. I'm going to section my hair off first. Working with smaller sections will make it so much easier to make sure you're applying the color evenly. So I've got my rinse, it's in the color black and it's by Clairol. I've got my plastic gloves on, my black t-shirt in case things get messy. I'm going to go ahead and start applying the color. I am only applying the color to the honey blonde sections of my hair. I didn't want to get close to my roots, because the fragrance in this rinse I think would irritate my scalp the closer I get to my scalp, but also my natural hair color is already about the color that I think I will achieve with the rinse. So putting the black on my roots would kind of make it jet black, which I know the honey blonde segments are not going to achieve. I'm trying to use the camera to make sure that I am fully coating all of my hair. However, due to the ring light, it's really hard for me to see, and so I'm gonna go to the restroom and use the mirror to make sure that I am coating all of my hair. And I'm glad I did, because once I got into the mirror, I saw some spots that I had missed. Alright, so now I have all of my hair covered with the rinse. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this plastic bag. If you have a shower cap, use that, but I didn't have one, so grocery sack for the win. And once I get this secured in the back, I'm going to leave it on and let the color process for about 45 minutes. The bottle says 25, but I knew that would not be enough. So we're back and it's been 45 minutes. I'm going to take these clips down and just show you guys what the color looks like with the dye still sitting on there, so we can see how much of a difference we have after we rinse it out. I know it's not going to be this dark. Here we go. So I rinsed it out. I rinsed it until the water ran clear in the sink, which took a while. I love the color that I got. Honestly, it's like my natural hair color. Now I want to moisturize and oil my hair, so I'm just squeezing out all the excess water with my towel. First, I'm going to put on a leave-in conditioner by Design Essentials. This makes my hair feel really soft. It is a creamy formula, so I don't use it often, but since I just colored my hair, I think it's a good time to go ahead and throw that on there. And after that, I'm going to use some almond oil just to seal in that moisture. Almond oil is one of my favorite oils to use on my locks. It's very light, and after it's dry, your locks are left pretty soft. Now for my precious locks in the front that I'm trying to rescue, I'm going to add a little extra leaven, a little extra almond oil. I am so happy with the results, you guys. I'm really feeling this dark color. I think my hair looks a bit healthier like this. We'll see how it fades. I will definitely do an update video for you guys. But if you have not already subscribed to my channel but you love my videos, please subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff, and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post again. See you later. Bye bye.